Good afternoon, all.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good
How are you,
afternoon.
ma'am?
So I would like to ask Cheryl. Cheryl, can you just
Yes,
tell
ma'am.
me what we have learned in the previous class?
Yes, ma'am. We learned about MS Excel.
Mm-hmm.
We know how to increase the height and the width of the columns and rows,
Okay.
and we know how to move down, how to
Okay.
move up, how to move right and left.
Mm-hmm.
Then we know how to move from a particular cell to and the first cell, that is A1.
Okay.
Then we know how to delete.
Okay, very good. So these are the topics that we have covered. So let's recall the topics. So in the previous class, we have started one chapter, new chapter. This is the name, and we have seen different options, different keys with the help of which we can move around our worksheet. Okay. We can use down arrow key. If we want to move downward, one cell at a time. If we want to move upward, we will use up arrow key. And if we use tab key, then we can move to the right side. And if we want to move to the left side, we will use shift tab. Other than that, there are right and left arrow keys also to move to the left and right side. And if I want to move to page, if I press page up key, what will happen?
What, ma'am? What's your question?
If I
Page up
press
key.
page up key, what will happen? It moves. The
Ma'am, it's
cursor
not
moves.
clear, ma'am.
We will go to another cell.
Yes, it moves. The cursor moves up one page.
Up
Okay.
cells.
If I want to move down, which key I will use?
Down key.
Down
Down
arrow
arrow key.
key.
Down arrow key.
Which means that if I want to move one page
Yeah,
down,
down, yes.
which key I will use?
Down arrow key.
Down arrow key.
Down arrow key is to move if you want to move from one cell to another. If I want to move from one page to another downward,
One page to another.
yes, for that we will use page down.
Page
Is
down.
that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am.
So
Page down.
if I want to move to the first cell, which means that to A1, which key I will use? Control plus
Control plus
Control plus
home key.
home key. And if we want to go to a particular cell quickly, we can use these options. So till here we have learned. Not only that, we have learned how to change the column width and row height, isn't it?
Yes,
Different
ma'am.
options through which, yes,
We didn't say
Ma'am,
about
we
rows.
did it.
yes, we did it. We have learned this. So today
Yes,
we are
ma'am.
going to cover a new topic, that is how to insert and delete columns and rows. So first I would like to request all to please mute your mic. Let me explain the topic. After that you can do. Okay, so now we are going to learn how to insert and delete columns and rows. First, if I want to delete the column, first step that I have to do is that if I want to delete the column from A to D, first I have to click the column A indicator, then I have to drag till column D. Okay, this is the first method. Okay, if I want to delete from column A to D, first what I have to do? First I have to click the column A, then I have to drag till column D. Okay, this is the first method or first step that I have to follow. Then what I have to do? Then I have to click the drop arrow next to the delete in the cells group. Here you can see this. In the cells group, you can see this delete option. You have to click that drop arrow. Okay. Then from there, you have to choose delete sheet columns. When you click that, what will happen? Let's see the change. So, Agnay, can you just tell me the change that you observe now? This is my original table. When I pressed delete sheet columns option, what happened?
We will delete that columns and the data which is in the next column will come to the column we deleted.
Okay, very good. Which means that the columns from A to D has been deleted, isn't it? Only two columns are there, Friday and Saturday. So who is going to show me? First, I would like to call Shreya. Please share the screen. Take word and share the
Yes.
screen. Others, those are
Ma'am, I
using...
can't share the screen.
Now
Yes,
you can
ma'am,
share the
now.
screen, yes. Those who are using computer lab, please be ready with your data. Enter
Ma'am,
some
can you
data.
see it?
Yes. Yes, Raya, in column, in cell A1, just type Monday.
Monday. Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Monday. Now, in column B, type Tuesday. Others, please be ready with the data. Gautam, please type. Take your Excel and type the data. Yes.
Ma'am,
In
Wednesday.
Wednesday. Okay. In cell A2, type 1. Yes, 1. Now, drag that till cell A7. Yes, drag the data till A7. Very good. Now go to cell B2, type 2. Yes, drag till B7. Okay, 3. Okay. Adil,
Yes, ma'am.
which column do you want to delete? Adil, unmute. Which column would you like to delete? A, B, or Monday, Tuesday, or Wednesday? Which one? A, B, or C?
Wednesday.
Okay, Wednesday. For that, what we have to do? First, we have to click the C indicator. First, select C. That's it. Yes. Now, what is the next step?
Delete.
Yes. There. Press
Delete
the drop.
sheet columns.
Yes. Yes. See, it has been deleted. Is that clear for all?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Thank you, Shreya, for sharing the screen.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, next, Gautam, share the screen. Those are using phone, they can also do. Okay, take the phone, take the app and do. Okay, other than that, you just, okay, Gautam, go to the cell D1, type data. Yes, type Thursday. Then type 4. There in D2 cell, drag it.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now if I want to delete column B and C, what you will do, Gautam? Explain and do it.
Ma'am, column B and
C.
first I will drag it.
Click that, click the indicator, then drag.
Sorry, ma'am.
Yes, now.
Click delete and I will click delete sheet columns.
Okay, there are different ways through which you can delete. Very good. Thank you, Gautam, for sharing the screen. I hope this is clear for you. And now I would like to call Agne. Share the screen. Now you have to show. Now we are going to see how we can delete row. Okay. So Agne, share the screen. Yes, enter information and enter numbers. Others, please note down what are important options that we have to follow. Yes. Okay, if I want to delete row 4 and 5, what we have to do? First, we have to click the indicator row 4, yes, and row 5. Then go to the same option. See, it has been deleted. Is that clear? So, in the same way, we can delete rows. So, very good, Agne. Thank you for sharing the screen. So, we have seen how to delete column and row, isn't it? So, this is how we can delete the column. And if you want to delete row, what we will do? If I want to delete rows from 2 to 4, first I have to click the row 2 indicator and to drag till row 4. Then I have to click the drop arrow next to the delete in the cells group that you have seen right now. Then there will be option delete sheet rows. Then you have to click that. Okay, this is how you can delete the row. So I have dragged it. I have selected the row. Then in the delete, you can see this option. There you can see this option delete sheet row, delete sheet rows. When you click that, the particular rows will be deleted. This is how you can delete. Now we are going to see how we can insert column and rows. Okay, so for that, first what I have to do, First, I have clicked on B to select column. This particular column. Okay. Then there is an option insert. Okay, I have to click on that down arrow. When I click that, what will happen? You can see this option like this: insert sheet columns. And what will happen? New column will be inserted on the left of the column which we have selected. For that, if you want to see the practical, so let's do one practical. Who is going to do that? Please raise your hand if you didn't. Sri Shankar, share the screen. So now we are going to see how we can insert column, and you have to note that in which direction or in which
Yes, ma'am.
the new column has been inserted with respect to the selected column. So first you just enter the information.
Ma'am, type it.
Yes, you just
Type
type 1111.
Yes, ma'am.
Spelling is, there is spelling mistake. What is the spelling of Wednesday, my dear?
Oh, it is wrong.
What is the spelling of Wednesday?
Yes,
What
ma'am.
is the spelling of Wednesday?
Ma'am, W-E-N.
Is it W-E-N? Is it W-E-N? What is the spelling of Wednesday? Yes.
Ma'am, W-E-D.
My God, Sri Shankar, W-E-D. Yes, guide him.
W-E-D. W-E-D.
W-E-D-N-E-S.
And
Okay, now, so, yes, Sri Shankar, type in cell D2, type 1.
Yes, ma'am, here.
Yes, there, type. In E2, type any number. Okay, in F2, type any number. Okay, now, if I want to insert a column between E and F, note the point. If I want to insert a column between E and F, which, okay, I'm just, first I'm going to select F. Select column F, select the indicator, yes. Top, just press on F, Yes, now in the cells group, you can see option insert,
Ma'am,
yes.
columns.
Yes, click that. What happened? In which direction the new column has been inserted? Left. So what can you conclude?
We got a new column.
Yes, new column is been inserted to the left,
left
of the column selected, isn't it? So
Yes, ma'am.
I would like to call Tanya. Tanya, are you there?
Yes,
Tanya?
ma'am.
Tanya, okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Share the screen once again, Sri Shankar.
Okay,
Share
ma'am.
the screen, yeah. Tanya, your question is that if I want to insert column between D and E, okay, which column should I select? If I want to insert column between D and E, so which column should I select? Tanya. Yes, Raya, that is right. Yes, Tanya, which one? Should I select D?
Between D and E.
Yes, between D and E.
and E.
Yes, between D and E. So
E.
which? E.
E.
So let's have a look. Yes, first you just select E. Sri
Yes.
Shankar, select
Ye-
E.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, now go to the insert.
Yes, ma'am. Sheet columns.
Yeah. Very good. So the new column is inserted to the left of the selected column. Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
So now
ma'am.
let's see how, what about if we want to insert row? So thank you, Sri Shankar, for sharing the screen. Is there anyone who want to do the practical and who didn't get any chance? Please raise your hand. Okay, Sri Shankar, please stop sharing the screen.
Yes,
Sri Shankar, not. Don't do that. Don't do that. So who is the next one? Please raise your
Ma'am,
raise
Adil.
your- Adil. Who is this Adil? Okay, Adil,
Ma'am,
would
there
you
is
like to do?
Gunalakshmi and Richard raised hand.
Okay.
They have any clue?
Bhuvana? Yes, share the screen.
Yes, ma'am.
Share the screen. After that, Richard, please be ready.
Ma'am, can you see the board?
Yes, type the number.
Ma'am, I had already typed.
Okay, you have only
Okay.
entered to enter some more data. In A3, come to A3. Cell A3, type any number there. Now B3, type any number in B3. Okay, in C3, yes, in D3. Okay, now you just select row 2. Bhuvana, you just select row 2. Just press on 2. Yes. Now go to the cells group. There you can see insert option. Okay. There you can see insert option. When you click that, what will happen? Let's see. There you can see insert sheet rows. Click that. Yes. What happened?
The new
Hmm.
row came.
Row sheet
The
comes
new row
in the
is being
same
inserted
number.
where?
Three.
Above or below? The
Above.
selected.
Above.
Oh,
Is it above or below?
Below or above?
Is it above or below?
above.
Okay, the new row is being inserted above the selected text, isn't it? So what
Yes.
about column? Is it left or right?
Left. I don't
Left.
understand this.
What about row?
Above.
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 Is that clear for all?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, it is
Bhuvana,
clear.
you can stop sharing the
Can you
screen.
again
Now,
show how to?
yes. Now
Can
I
you
would
again show how
like
to
call.
make a new?
Yes. Now I would like to call a student, the one who is using phone. In phone also you can do. So who is ready? Yes,
Ma'am, I am
Cheryl.
ready.
Okay, Cheryl.
Ma'am,
After
I'm using a
Rizin.
tablet.
Okay. In tablet also you show, share the screen.
What
Okay,
can I
ma'am.
do?
Wait, my dear.
I'll share it right now.
Yes. Those who want to do, please be ready with the details. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, you can show.
Yes, ma'am. Should I insert?
Yeah, you just insert column. Along with that, you just explain. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Okay, so to make a column between A and B, first you have to select the one to the right. And ma'am, here I have I don't have that much option.
Yes, but you can. Yeah, you just go with it.
Yes, ma'am. I have here.
Hmm.
I have a plus and a cross symbol.
Mhm.
The cross is the cross is to delete and the plus is to insert.
Hmm.
So here there is an option called insert column. If you press that, there will be a new column to the left. And if you want to insert a row, you can select a row. If you want to insert a row between 1 and 2, you can select the below row and you can select the same button. Here you can see a option like insert row. If you press that, there will be a row above the selected one.
Okay, very good. Very good. Yes, Cheryl. Now, those who are using phone, please raise your hand. Yes, Rosine. After that, Manu.
And Tanya.
Oh, after that, Tanya. Yes. Ambrose, John Sebi, please be ready. Pavitra.
Ma'am, I
Advita,
don't have.
Rohit. Yes. Brightly.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, can I
also do?
Oh, okay.
Ma'am,
wait,
I
wait.
don't have Excel.
Download. That is not a reason. Okay, download.
Download and we can sign in.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
I
can I
don't
also
have
do?
Sign in.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, can you see the screen?
Yeah. We can see a picture.
Somebody looking at us.
Yes,
Ma'am,
somebody
now can you
is
see?
looking at us. Yes, now it's okay.
Ma'am, to insert a row,
Did you open your app?
we should
Okay,
click
yes.
insert rows.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, ma'am. Can you see?
Yes.
When we click this, we will be getting it. To delete it, we just need to click delete rows. So it will be deleted. Hello,
I
ma'am.
think so. Her
Yes,
network
yes, yeah.
is low.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, yes, I can hear you, my dear.
Ma'am, can you see?
Yes, I can see.
Yes, ma'am. If you want to insert a column in this way, we just need to select insert rows. And if we want to delete it, we just need to click delete rows. So it will be deleted.
Okay, very good. Very good. Thank you, Rosine.
Ma'am, can I do next?
Wait.
You're welcome, ma'am.
Thank you, Rosine. All will get the chance. Wait.
You're welcome, ma'am.
Yeah. Yes, explain. Richard, explain. Unmute.
To
Yes.
delete rows,
Yeah.
press the row number you want. Then delete option. Then click delete sheet rows. So that row just deleted.
Okay. Is it deleted? Is there any change?
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, it has been deleted because he has used the same number. That is why we are not able to recognize it. So you just delete column. Column, not row, column. You just delete column C. Yes.
No.
Okay. It is deleted, right? Very good. Very good, Richard. Thank you. Thank you. Is that clear for all? Yes, I know that most of you are raising your hand. Wait. I have to move to the next topic. So please wait for a while. So is that clear for all?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Okay, so far you have seen how to insert rows, isn't it? If I want to insert row above or below, if I'm going to choose row 2, which means that I have to insert row where, below or above?
above.
Above. So to insert a row between 1 and 2, first I have to select row 2. Then, as you know that we have to click which
Insert
option?
row.
Insert. There you can see the
Insert.
option.
Insert
Insert
sheet
sheet rows. So the new row
And then
will be inserted above the selected row. Is that
Select-
clear?
select- Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Selected row.
Should we write
No need to write. Okay. Now this is how you can. This is the output after clicking that option. And next thing, if I want to delete the data, what I have to do? I can use backspace key or delete key. Okay. Yes, when I use backspace key, one character will be raised at a time. Okay, if I want to delete an entire data in a cell or group of cell, I will choose delete key. So who is going to show the practical? Please raise the hand if you didn't get any chance. And those who are using computer lab. Angelina, yes, share the screen.
Using both computer and lab.
Yeah,
No.
okay.
The tab.
Excuse me, can you one more
Okay, I will show the practical. If you have any doubt, we will see the practical. Angelina Martin, please share the screen.
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. You just enter information in each cell.
Okay, ma'am.
Share the screen.
Others, please be quiet. Okay. There is a change. Angelina, first you just type 1 in cell A2. 1
Yes, ma'am.
in cell A3, type 2.
A3.
Yes, in A3, type 2.
Yes,
Now
ma'am.
you just select the both cells A2 and A3. After that, drag.
A2 and A3.
Yes.
Uh,
First, you
like
just
this,
select
ma'am?
A2. Yes. But no. Okay, anyway, leave. First, you just select cell A2 and A3, both.
A2 and A3 both.
Yes. First,
Wait,
select
ma'am.
A2. First, select A2.
Yes,
Then
ma'am.
select A3. Drag it. Or you just leave. You just type A4 in cell A4. Type 3. Type 3 there. Okay, in Tuesday, same pattern, 1, 2, 3.
Okay, ma'am.
One, two, three. So now we are going to see how we can
Yes, ma'am.
edit a cell. Okay. So if I want to make a change in the cell C3, what I have to do? I have to select that cell. First, you select
Yes,
the
ma'am.
cell C3.
Yes, ma'am.
Instead of 2, I want 5. What you will do? First, I have to select the cell. Then I have to use,
Backspace key.
or you can just enter the data. First, you just enter 5 there.
Here, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Yes. Okay. So if I want to delete the whole column C, what I have to do? First, you just select C and press delete.
Delete sheet columns.
Not that like, okay. Anyway, okay. It's okay. If I want to select,
Ma'am, what's it?
okay. If I want to select B2, what I have to do? First, select that. If I want to select the data, then press delete
Delete. Here, ma'am.
using keyboard.
Keyboard. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you can edit a cell, which means that if you want to change any information, you can edit using backspace or delete key. Is that clear for all?
Yes, ma'am.
Or you can also edit using the formula bar. You just select B1. All of you please look at the board. Select B1. Okay, now look at the formula bar. There you can see the information, isn't it? Yes.
Yes,
You
ma'am.
just type SS, add 2S there.
2S.
See, that particular change is occurring in that particular cell. Is that clear for all?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, this is how we can, this is the alternative way through which we can edit. Okay, along with that, if you want, we can also save a file. Do you know how to save a file?
Yes, ma'am.
How to save a file?
Yes, ma'am. Save option.
ma'am.
Ma'am,
We
there are
should
two
click the save
ways, ma'am.
option.
If we close that book one, that
We close it automatically on save
yes,
option.
ma'am. It will say
Yes.
save
Control
closed.
File option.
Okay.
File option
Also
and we
show,
can
That's one
yes.
method, ma'am.
Ma'am, also
Yes.
We
file
can go
option
to
and we
that,
can
See?
save it.
that
File option
Yeah.
and then save.
And now go to
File
the
option
file
and-
tab.
Yes, that is the
File tab and
Shortcut key. What is the shortcut key for saving?
Control S.
Control S.
Control plus S.
Control plus S.
Okay. There you can see option save. You can press save or save as. Choose the location. Yes.
Then save.
Then
Then
save.
file name and
Yeah.
save.
First you have to choose the location. Then you have to mention the file name. Then you have to save it. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
And there is one more thing. You just choose cell E1.
E1.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
In that you just type text text type text text too long
Two now number, ma'am.
double o no TOO too long put space no erase that put space then put TOO not TWO put TOO yes too long LONG two
Two.
TO two
Yes,
fit
ma'am.
FIT
Yes, ma'am.
here you can see that the text has been overlapped to the next cell isn't it
Yes, ma'am.
so what can we do
Ma'am, we can increase the
We can
width of
grab
the
that.
cell.
no
We can increase the width of
Okay, other than that, we can wrap that. Okay. If
Okay,
you don't
ma'am.
want to overlap that, you can wrap that, which means that I will show. First, you just select that.
Yes, ma'am. Here?
That particular, you just press in H for H1. You just go to cell H1. Yes. Now click E1 once again. Select the cell E1 where
Yes,
you
ma'am.
have typed text too long for to fit. At the top, all of you, please look at the top alignment group. There you can see the wrap text option. Can you see that? Yes, go to
Yes,
the
ma'am.
alignment group.
Text
Go to the
here.
alignment group. Go to the alignment group. Top, move to alignment.
Ma'am,
Move,
yes,
move.
ma'am.
Here, ma'am.
Top,
Yes, yes.
top.
Wrap
In the
text. You can
alignment
see
group.
wrap text. In
Yeah, in
alignment.
the alignment group, you
Yes,
can
in
see
the wrap
option
text.
wrap text. Press that. See, that
We
particular
can
text
look
has
at
been
it.
included in that cell. Okay.
Oh, okay, ma'am. Like
Yes,
that.
ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
So thank you for sharing
Yes,
the
ma'am.
screen. Thank you. So after editing, after saving that, you can also close the Excel. So this is all about our chapter. Is that clear for all?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Any
Ma'am,
doubt?
so when will you send the notes?
No, ma'am.
I will send the
No
note.
doubts, ma'am.
That's all for today. Bye. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye,
Thank you,
ma'am.
ma'am.